You've seen dark tricks promised on the internet, manipulative tactics that pretend to make anyone fall for you. But here's the truth. Real desire isn't forced, it's cultivated. In the next few minutes, I'll show you psychological principles that reliably increase attraction ethically, so she wants you, not a version of you built on lies. First, understand confidence with calm, not arrogance. Confidence isn't loud, it's steady. Women notice a man who carries calm energy through uncertainty. That calm tells them you're stable, capable, and emotionally available when it counts. Second, create emotional safety. Attraction grows when someone feels understood. Listen more than you talk. Reflect her feelings back briefly. That small act of validation lowers defenses and builds closeness far faster than flashy lines ever will. Third, be purpose-driven. People are attracted to men who value something beyond the relationship goals. Craft, values, purpose gives you direction and makes your presence feel valuable, not needy. Fourth, cultivate controlled mystery. You don't need to be secretive, you need to be interesting. Share stories that show growth, not constant availability. Scarcity isn't playing games, it's honoring your time and self. Fifth, use consistent boundaries. When you enforce your limits calmly, you communicate worth. Boundaries create respect, and respect fuels desire. If disrespect is tolerated, attraction erodes. Sixth, practice gentle challenge plus warmth. At times, test the emotional temperature with light challenges paired with warmth. For example, tease playfully, then show empathy. This pattern stimulates the brain's reward system without manipulation. Finally, focus on internal attraction, improving your values, health, social life, and emotional skills. External tactics are temporary. When you genuinely become higher value, attraction follows naturally. Remember, influence without consent or honesty becomes manipulation. Use these principles to become a better man, more confident, calm, and emotionally intelligent, and the right kind of desire will follow. That's power, that's integrity, and that's what keeps her wanting you for the long run.